Here's a 2020 C8 Corvette that we just finished installing an Escort 360 Ci built-in radar detector system. So when you have it built-in, you have front and rear radar sensors, plus this one here has got the jammers. So you put the jammers underneath the trunk lid there, and then the radar sensor is in the trunk actually itself, in the pan, not beyond any metals, being that the car fiberglass, it will go right through there. Same thing with the front. We have the front sensor behind the bumper, so you can't even see it. And then we have the jammers, one on each side. So it's pretty stealthy of an install. So we do quite a few of them. We do the K40s, but the Escorts are our favorite. We sell more of them. They work really well. They have great range, and they're, in my mind, the best. Just give us a shout if you have any radar detector needs at Dedona Tint and Sound. You can check us out on our website at dedona.com, or text us or call us at 336-851-1300.